Does it still take you days or even weeks to enter BOMs into Infor CloudSuite Industrial? You're not alone. Most engineering teams spend hours manually duplicating data from Solidworks into spreadsheets, then even more time trying to match that to what Infor CSI needs. And with every copy and paste, you increase the chance of errors, delays, and frustrated shop floors. That bottleneck ends today with CAD Talk. Your engineering data already exists in Solidworks PDM, so why waste time entering it again into CSI? CAD Talk pulls that rich data directly from Solidworks PDM and transforms it into exactly what Infor needs. Not just linked, transformed. That means cleaner data, smarter structures, and a bill of material that's ready to manufacture. Frank, our mustache-donning engineer, will show you how. Here inside the CAD Talk interface, all Frank has to do is hit Open, select his configuration, and click OK. CAD Talk immediately begins pulling metadata straight from Solidworks PDM. And that's just the beginning. The entire bill of material is shown with CAD Talk's traffic light color coding system. Red means brand new items that will be created in CSI. Yellow means items will receive updates or changes. Green means those items are already perfect and ready to go. With a quick glance, Frank instantly knows where attention is needed. No guesswork. But this isn't just a viewer. Did you decide to purchase a part instead of manufacture it in-house? Need to assign a different product code? Want to change metadata before it even hits Infor? Every part, operation, and material is editable right in the interface. This is where CAD Talk shines. It doesn't just pass your data through, it empowers you to audit, validate, and control it before anything goes live. Once Frank is happy, he just hits Save. In the background, CAD Talk is creating items, updating BOMs, and reconciling any changes. All the reds and yellows flip to green, giving Frank instant confirmation that his data is now live and accurate in Infor CloudSuite Industrial. What used to take hours or even days is now done in minutes. No more bouncing between Excel and ERP screens. Just one source of truth, from engineering to manufacturing, seamlessly and reliably. This works whether you're using Solidworks PDM or any other CAD, PDM, or PLM systems. And whether you're on Infor CloudSuite or Sightline on-premise, CAD Talk meets you where you are. So if your team is still hand-typing BOMs into Infor, still managing product data across 5 tools, or still waiting on IT just to sync engineering with operations, stop. Let CAD Talk transform your workflow, eliminate errors, and get your products to the shop floor 5 times faster. Schedule a personalized demo today at cadtalk.com/demo. Happy integrating.